Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, and welcome to Elegant Arabica. In this series, we will delve into Arabic grammar while reading children's stories. We will employ effective retention techniques that establish mental associations with sounds, colors, and visuals. We will leverage the Pareto Principle, where 80% of comprehension arises from just 20% of learning efforts. No waste of time. Our ultimate aim is to optimize language retention. So rather than inundating you with endless grammar and vocabulary, we prioritize solidifying what you've already learned. Join me in this exciting and distinctive learning journey. I'm your host, Kaz, the Samurai Linguist, where I slash languages like a samurai.
The story is called Diya fi Madinat al-Alwan. Diya in the city of colors. في مدينة ساحلية جميلة ولد ضياء. The stories usually start with establishing the geographical area, kind of set up the place where you are as a reader. You start imagining the place, and this is what's happening here. It's في مدينة ساحلية جميلة. Usually when you introduce a location, we need two things basically. The preposition, the adat al-makan here is fi. Fi means in or into, and then you need the noun that represents the location. Medina. Medina is the city. If you guys know Medina in Saudi Arabia, the city of the Prophet Muhammad Fil Medina or Fi Medina. These are the necessary parts to represent a location. Of course, you can add more description to it to describe the location, to kind of start to draw the scene in the minds of the readers. In this case, Fi Madinatin Sahiliya. Sahiliya. This is from Sahil. Sahil means coast. So Madinatin Sahiliya means coastal city. In Arabic, the adjective comes after the noun. The noun in this case is Medina. The adjective is Sahiliya. And you can stack up more adjectives. In this case, we described it as Jamila. Sahiliyatin Jamila. Fi Madinatin Sahiliyatin Jamila. In a city that is coastal and that is beautiful. After we introduced the place, what happened? Wulida Diya. Wulida from walad, to give birth. In this case, wulida starts with the dhamma. It's not walada, it's wulida. Wulida. Whenever a verb starts with a dhamma, that is indicating the passive form of the verb. Most of the time, the verb to give birth is used in its passive form to say, I was born. In this case, wulida means was born. Ukila, it got eaten. Jumia, it got collected. See how the story starts? It starts with representing the place, describing it, and then in the place, there is a main event that starts or takes place, which is the birth of the main character here, which is a boy named Diya. Again, في مدينة ساحلية جميلة. What happened? ولد ضياء. The preposition fi is one of the most vastly used prepositions in Arabic, because it's not only used with places, it's also used with times. في الصباح, in the morning. في المساء, in the evening. Fi should be in your Swiss knife list. And again, guys, we want to target 20% to comprehend 80%. And that's how we start breaking into the language.